Are you going to ask me to put the question?
No, Mr. Speaker, let me just contribute. I didn't want to contribute. Let me say I oppose the motion, Mr. Speaker. I oppose because, Mr. Speaker, you know, we cannot be recycling people who have served in a very high office, and then you give them another office. When will career diplomats get a chance to serve in our diplomatic mission, Mr. Speaker? When are they going to get, Mr. Speaker? Every politician who has failed, every civil servant who has failed, every person who has failed is being dumped in a certain mission somewhere in the world, Mr. Speaker. This is demoralizing our career civil servant. There are people, Mr. Speaker, you heard you were saying majority leader. Now let me do my minority work. This is my minority job now. There is no broad-based on this one.
Order, proceed.
Majority leader, there is no broad-based on this one. There is no broad-based.
Who is mentioning point of order?
Mr. Speaker, you see, they are career civil servants who start their life in a very young age as civil servants who want to work in the world of diplomacy. They start in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs from job group something down there. They grow. Then when they reach near deputy ambassador, they get stagnated there. They can never move from there because Junet will be voted out in Suna East, then he will be made an ambassador. Kainan, I can see, is most likely after next election is going there. So, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker.
Order, Honorable Kainan. There's nothing out of order. Proceed.
Mr. Speaker.
Proceed,
Mr. Speaker, me, I'm of the view. Even the government, Mr. Speaker, of Honorable, the late Daniel teacher of Moi, never did this. Kibaki never did this. This thing started with the Jubilee, hapa. This is of recycling people like the way you recycle Dandora West, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, this culture must stop. This culture must end. If, you see, these were people who were serving in high offices. The appointing authority has the prerogative to relieve them of their duties. But by the time he's relieving them of their duties, that means there must have been some problem. There must have been either some incompetency somewhere, some malpractice somewhere. There must be something like that. Or change of loyalty. You know, maybe some went to a Munyoro, who knows?
Order, Honorable Junet. Sometimes it has very little to do with